So guys, long time no see. Sorry for the delay, but with everything going on with the pandemic and everything, so everything is delayed, everything is stuck in time. But finally the car is out from the paint shop. It's not completely assembled. As you can see, I'm gonna show you more before I show you the car where we're at now. Before I show you the car where we stand, let me give it a quick wash, and then we're gonna take it from there. We're gonna try this new foam that I'm modders to see how it works with the foam cannon, because tomorrow morning the windshield is gonna be changed, so I'm gonna give it a quick wash. It's so many dirt coming from the paint shop. I think it was outside, it was raining when they pulled them out, but happy with the results. You see the M2 bumper. I'm gonna go through it in a little bit, so give me 1 second. We're gonna do a quick wash, 5 minutes. So here's where we stand. All body work has been done, as you can guys see. I haven't finished the assembly, it's not done yet. It just came out because I asked them not to assemble the whole bumper and everything, is because I'm gonna do it. So for the moment it's only temporary, tie wrap there, because tomorrow it's going to change the windshield. That's gonna be changed tomorrow, and this weekend I'm gonna finish everything else. Here I'm getting a problem with this sensor. I believe it's this one or this one, I don't know. It's like sensing, it's beeping, and I think it's broken. So I will have to look into that one, see what's going on. What else? Yeah, so you can see that's the M2 bumper on M240i. Haven't really be able to finish everything, but this weekend I believe I'm gonna able to do it. So that's what it is, guys. So this weekend we should have a new update, and it's getting there. It's going to the inspection very soon.